Can a brother can marry a sister? I am Advocate Satish Kumar in Madras High Court. Today we are discussing about can a brother can marry a sister. In the Roman world, there exists a story that the son was married to Mercury. Son is the brother and Mercury is the sister. This is the stories in the Roman world. But in the real world, in the Roman Egypt, until the 3rd century after Christ, there exists a practice of marrying between brothers and sisters. And after that, it was abolished after the Roman Empire declined in Egypt. Now our question is in India, whether there is permitted that the brothers can marry sisters or not. In India, there prevails many religious laws. The major religious laws are Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, and Parsi, and such and such. In India, it permits whatever the marriage is according to the custom and usage. That marriage is a valid form of marriage in every existing religious laws. As per the Hindu law, the marriage between the own brother and sister is prohibited. It defines as prohibited relationship. These prohibited relationships exist in major community in Hinduism, but the Hindu Marriage Act also permits. There is a custom, if there is a usage, and if that society or the particular community permits such a marriage, the marriage between brothers and sisters are valid. In India, in all over world, in the new cultural age, marriage to the daughter or a father or a grandfather, these lineal ascendant are prohibited. But in the older law, there existing an interesting event in the history that whom did the first son of Adam was married. The $1 million questions is in the Pandora's box is relieved now. That man Cain, who is the son of Adam, was married to his own sister, the daughter born to Adam and Eve. It is well said in the Christianic laws and Judaism laws and even the religion which existed prior to Judaism. But after a certain period, when the civilization is developed and the new cultural norms and terms are created, these things are prohibited. Even after several thousands of years, a man called Abraham, he is the forefather of Brahmins, he is the forefather of Judaism, and he is also a lineal descendant for the Jesus Christ. What Abraham did, Abraham married a woman who is related as a sister. It is clearly recorded in all Torah and in Bible and all the religious recorded events. Even the Brahmins are recognizing that Abraham's wife Sarah, whether the Brahmins are called the Abraham's wife Sarah as Katiri and the another pronunciation Katiria and Katura. These are purely the Sanskrit terms, because the Brahmins are the descendants of Abraham, so they use their own mother as Katira, Katura and Katiri. Later in the Christian world, it is called as Catherine and Katerina. Even in that incident, Abraham married his sister, but after that one, we see his son Isaac and Isaac's son Jacob allies Israel. They are all married to their cousin sisters. That is their mother's brother, daughter. all over the world, in India, even in Hinduism, it is the predominant culture to marry the mother's sister's, not daughter, or mother's brother daughter. But in Tamil Nadu, mother's brother's daughter is permitted, but mother's sister's daughter is called as a sister. So it is prohibited. So Hindu Marriage Act clearly says a person cannot marry a sister. And the Christian Marriage Act also clearly says that person cannot marry his own sister. But in Islam, to a certain extent, the sister relationship is accepted. Direct sister is not allowed in Islam. The sister of the mother, sister, the sister born to the stepmother, it is prohibited. But if the father's brother's daughter, it is permitted in Islam. In Zoroaster, the Parsi religion, which are the well-developed community in India, which they traveled from Iran, pre-Islamic religion existed in Iran, they are practiced to marry their own sisters. Several reasons are said that why they are marrying the sister: to protect the ethnic things, to protect the vulnerability of the religion. These things exist in Zoroaster. Till now they are practicing the marry sisters. Even after that, several formats of marriage in India, they are marrying to donkeys, marrying to dogs, marrying to goat, existing in Hindu religions, but it is prohibited under law. So, to this extent, a brother can marry a sister in major events, in major civilization, major religions, major cultures, Western and Eastern. The marrying brothers and sisters are prohibited after the several thousands of years the first man and woman created. Now this system of practice is abolished. I am Satish Kumar, advocate practicing in Madras High Court. Continue watch my videos.